Hello everybody, today we're going to be making chicken kebab with my aunt Renata. So first we're going to start off with 2 onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 bunches of parsley, so just remember 2, 2, 2, except for 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and put that all into a food processor or blender just so that I can cut it up for you. You could do this by hand as well, but obviously this makes the process go much faster. Then you're going to add all of that to 4 pounds of ground chicken alongside with some salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, vegetable powder, and a half cup of almond flour. This is the gluten-free part, so I guess you could use normal flour, but in this scenario, but almond flour makes it so that it's gluten-free. And then we're going to spray some avocado oil on a pan. And we're going to take our chicken that we just mixed up with all of our onion and parsley and spices, and we're going to shape it to look like a kebab. So kind of just pinch your fingers in on like a couple times. Make a log and then pinch your fingers a couple times so you get this general shape. And you're going to do that for all of your meat that you have. And yeah, what's really cool about this dish, like I said before, is that it's gluten-free. So if you want to be a little bit healthier or someone in your family cannot eat gluten, this is a great dish for you. And honestly, to me, it tastes the exact same and even better than normal chicken kebab. So yeah, I'm gonna make my mom make it this way all the time, even though we usually have gluten. So then you're gonna put it in your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's nice and brown like this. It should take about 40 minutes, but obviously keep an eye on it. And that is it, super simple, and we hope you enjoy and share your creations with us if you want, and we hope you have a great day. Happy chicken kebabbing, bye!